welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. Well, back in 2020 I did a birds and branches class, which you might remember included a little bird box. Here's a picture of the original one. But when I saw the new Sale-A-Bration papers, I knew I had to do an update for you. These are the papers, the Flight and Airy papers, which have these cute little birds in. And I just thought it would work so well with the birdhouse design. So I did a little redo and I changed quite a few things. One of the main things I did is I simplified in several areas to make it easy to make, easy to teach, easier to teach, just because the other one had a bit more detail on the roof and other things. So I decided to just make a simpler version and using these beautiful papers. So if you already bought this class back in 2020 or at any time since, all you need to do is go over to the files for that class and you'll find the updated version for you completely for free. That's just my little gift to you and to say thank you for buying classes from Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. So a little thank you to you. There's an updated version. You can go and demonstrate or teach this one or show, make some samples to show your lovely customers. So that's that. If you have not got this the original class, then you can get this. So what you will get is you will get all the measurements. You will get all the videos for the original class with all the kind of the extra detail on it. And you will get everything for this one as well. So kind of two for the price of one. You'll also get photographs and yeah, for those of you who already have it, I will update the photographs as well, or add the additional photographs. So you get photographs that you can use in your own business and also for reference photographs for yourself as you are making this. So as I say, step-by-step video of how to make the bird box, another video showing you updates. In fact, we made one with an original birds stamp set and then birds and branches. I can't even remember what the original one was. So again, this will be something over the years. Whenever we have something new with birds, you can dig this out and make it again, just as I have here. So if you are interested in buying this class, it's just £10, which is usually around about $14 US, sometimes a little less. Look down below and you will see links to Ready Set Demo, or if you're already watching there, you'll see the little box to buy it either above or below, and you can just buy it on PayPal securely, and then I will ping the class into your email box. Just to mention, I have another class available at the moment, which is all current and spring-like and beautiful, and that is this one. This one is the paper florist class. So again, if you're interested in that one, Ready Set Demo, or look down below and you will see links and more information for that. Have a little look at the video as well if you would like to. So thanks very much for visiting today, and I hope you're having a great celebration, or just about to have a great celebration depending on when you're watching this, and take care. Bye.